I need to mount my thumb either on my windshield and the dashboard or in the vent. Well, I have the product for you. The easy mount, right? Clip for your cell phone. Even you can use this in your desk, and I show you why right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. I want to show you this great product. This great also not only your car, but I'm using right now. This is my desk. I put my cell phone there and I have a nice video call. Easy. How we do that? Show you right now. All right, let's check the easy car mount and let's see what we get for this design. Okay, so the phone holder, more like an Apple phone design. The mountain part, and even a little bit for cable management, and I show you the whole thing right now. Okay, so first, right, the car mount design, 2 buttons for easy release. Right, nice design like if you want to have an iPhone, it matches the iPhone style. And how you going to hold the phone? Pretty simple. Just put your phone there, click it right there, and that's it. And how you take your phone? Normally you're going to go grab it here, the phone. You can use press one button if you want. Now maybe your phone is much bigger phone, you can bring this down. This phone is not going nowhere, it stays there. You want to release, left to the left, to the right, and take the phone. Now how you going to mount this? Either right your desk or windshield or the dashboard. I think and the desk is perfect. So we're going to remove this up. It has a super like a super glue, this thing, eh? This thing is already super stick. All right, so we take this down. All right, we're going to release that. Push this right over here. Let's bring this down. Adjust it the way you want it. Simple. Up and down. Adjust it there. Then we can adjust this as well. Right? Let's leave it that for now. Maybe that way. Right? Alright. As you see, it's not going to go anywhere. So what I'm going to do now, after this there. Alright. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to push this down. And through this to the side. Alright. And now you can hold it, the phone to the left, to the right. I will say mostly to the right, right? So it'll be almost this way. You can, if you put this in your car. Then open the 2 release buttons, put it right there, press it there, and it's perfect. So if you want to hold it right in your desk, you see this, you just hold in your desk, right? And let's loose this up, and now you can have a nice video call this way. Now also, if the area in your dashboard is a little rough area to try to stick this, what you can use is this. Take the 3M sticker, place this down, and then get that and put it right over there. Now also you have this for cable management. So if you have your USB Type-C lightning port, you can put this and manage your cables. But if you want to put this on your ventilation, I like it because you got this too. Now this one, I like this design. The butterfly design is great because it has a big opening. Right, so easy to hold it right in your band. You can put this mount vertical, horizontal. Bring this down, right? Close this down now, and it's not going anywhere right now. It's attached right into your ventilation. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put this in like this, and that's it. All right, so let's go to my car right now and let me show you how this thing is going to look like. All right,